What's in there?
It's a bird.
How'd it get in there?
There's like a pipe. There's a pipe right there that can fly in.
Let's go over a little bit. See the bird?
Little birdie.
We're gonna let him out. I got a pipe there, but you can't see it.
Yeah.
All right, Kara. What we're gonna do is we're gonna open that door, and then I'm gonna open this, and we're gonna have him. He's gonna see that light over there, and he's gonna fly out. Here, Kara, you wanna hold this?
Yeah. You want a paper towel or water or something?
No.
Oh, it just came in, yeah. Here's the little birdie.
All right, Kara, you gotta watch out.
Okay.
I'm about to let him out. There it goes. Did you get it?
Almost. Yeah, I did a little.
Flew right out. All right, Kara.
Flew right up.
All right, stop it.